Good morning, everybody. What's going on? Oh my gosh, I literally forgot to press the click live button, so I was talking to myself for like 5 minutes. So where is everybody watching from? I'm back in Queens. So how's everyone doing? How's everyone's weekend? So it looks like on the daily, right, we've had these small body candles. It's a pretty difficult action because no follow through in either way, right? So that makes sense because it's been consolidation profile on the DXY. Let's check out what people are saying. Hi, Trading Matrix. I remember you, by the way. I just, the chat was moving so fast. I read it afterwards. Good morning, Nacho Video. I'll check out your thing that you sent me later. Pretty fun weekend for me. Like, it was really nice to just see the Florida sun, like, because it's so overcast and gloomy over here in New York. We're back to business, though. We're back to regular programming. Alabama. Yeah. Imagine me talking to myself. You know what? Ever since I started streaming, I've been talking to myself more like not even streaming because it makes sense because I'm like I'm here, I'm just like talking kind of to myself. But whatever. So let's check out DXY. It looks beautiful by California standards. Hello, Lisbon, Portugal. Yeah, dark circles under my eyes. I didn't put any makeup today because I was actually just like editing my behind the scenes vlog. So that's pretty much the biggest part of myself. Dark circles under my eyes, but I think it's more of like a shadow. So I go like this, you know, I don't know, whatever. That's enough on that topic. Back to trading. Let's go to DXY. So like I said, I thought we were bullish. So, right, we inverted this. We large displacements on the bullish side, right? We came back into this fair value gap, and then going to the upside. I'm gonna have to open the door for my cat. One second. We're moving to the upside, but like these like past like 7 days on DXY not been great. It's just consolidation profile, right? It's been like, oh, failed breakout here, right? Failed to close above here, and then it reached back into this fair value gap. But look how like the body's really respecting this. It looks quite bullish to me, so I am more inclined for more downside today on indices. But yeah, this week is NFP week. We have no news today. We can definitely trade Monday. No news on NFP week. So there's buy side here, and I do think this is like the buy side for later on, these equal highs into a monthly fair value gap. But anyway, let's look back at NQ. Ola from Algeria, Boston is in the house. Can I turn my mic up louder? Maybe I'll just like, this is the issue when I turn up my mic louder. It's like, I think it like captures my breathing more or something. Yes, the trading matrix, I'm replying to you today. Maybe I'll just try to talk louder. I don't know, you guys, should I like, I don't know. Because I have gum and I feel like if I turn up the mic, it's gonna be really annoying. Okay, cool. But yeah, this is what I was looking at here on NQ, right? By the way, on Friday, I traded this into the 15. You see on the 15 here, we came back into CE of this and went for these like equal lows. But anyway, now we had overnight like a jagged move during London. So if today is like a bearish day, that should be the high of the day, right? So I actually do have that marked out. I don't think we need this anymore because this is like lined up with this. So I'm going to mark this out as an intermediate term high, right? Because it actually broke a short-term high into an imbalance. So if we're bearish, we shouldn't break above that, okay? If we break above this, then we're definitely going to go for here. And this is kind of interesting here. I honestly don't really expect this to be anything significant because it's like happened during Asia, but we'll have to see what happens with price, whether it if it makes like a short-term low here and doesn't break this low, that's going to be really tough action then today, because then you'll have like bullish and bearish structure, like literally consolidation profile, right? Let's look back on the daily, right? Small body candles. So difficult action. I don't think we need this. I'll mark out the daily fair value gap here. Aw, thank you, Legionitis. You guys are so sweet. I have the best community. The best #1 live chat on YouTube right here. Okay, cool, my mic's good. What was I trying to say here? Right, we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small body candles on the daily. These are the conditions where I'm very much just focused on managing risk, okay? So I don't blow up an account because these are difficult conditions. Make sure that you do not get carried away. No more than 2 trades for me today or any day until like we break to one side. Well, like if DXY closes above the highs, then like, okay, you know, but like let me remind myself that I should just take like first price target. That's it, because you know, we're in consolidation. Like I could literally, like, let's mark out this. Like this is the range right now. This move up to the like all-time high essentially, right? This is literally this is what I believe is the range, right? Because we've been in this range now like 1, 2, 3 days. So if we're gonna be short, we should like see if we're in a premium or not. Yeah, we'll have to see. I'll keep that in mind, honestly. But anyway, up or down and open. Let's do a little bit of a. Oh, I'm sorry. You can maybe figure that out later for the. But I appreciate you that you want to join the channel. I thought he was gonna. Shurinish Serena, which giveaway results exactly? Because we did do the giveaway on my channel. On my channel, we did do that. No, I don't have a Discord. I think the lag is like 8 seconds or so. I think it's pretty good lag. Yeah, I am bearish because of DXY, right? So, well, actually, I'm not too. This is London high, so we'll have to see. This could also manipulate that because we're just in difficult. It could actually manipulate this because, like, this is a high. It would go above a high in premium to try to short it. I'll just, like, click that as London high. I'm bearish today, yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna release, like, behind the scenes footage video today. Pretty fun stuff. I didn't even get to go to the beach because it was basically just like a work trip, right? But that's fine. I was happy to see some sunlight. If you're watching this now and you watch my vlog later, like type in the comments so it's like some type in the comments Bagel Club is here. But yeah, it's gonna be funny. Like you can count how many times I mentioned the sun in that video. Really does make a difference. Okay, and I'll mark out 10 a.m. We'll open up the 15-minute here. Looks like just a move down and open. There's some equal lows into Asia, but like I said, I don't really care so much for that. I think that this should we should go for something. Dow is totally crazy. You can trade Monday this week because of NFP is Friday. Typically you can trade Monday to Wednesday. Yeah, Dow just hit all-time high actually. Okay, that's a really good. Whoever just said that, good job. Good point. And you have SMTs there now. Okay. You have all-time high for Dow here. Is that oh, actually that's we already hit that before. We have some SMTs here. Yeah, it's above London high. Okay. I like to have these on the 5-minute. And I'll have DXY pretty much on the 15. See, DXY is going for that buy side. Quite interesting here is YM is really ripping higher. Broke London highs. Right, I'm just putting this as an SMT. See, Tesla is very weak. I don't need volume, right? But whatever. On the stocks, I'll have volume, just because I never really changed what I used to use. And it's alright to see it on the daily. I think Tesla, because I do watch some stocks here to see the Nasdaq, the market in the Nasdaq, Amazon just dropping pretty hard here. Microsoft dropping pretty hard. What's keeping Nasdaq up now? Because Nasdaq is not dropping hard right now. Weird. Tesla is okay. Maybe Nvidia, because Nvidia is the powerhouse of the tech. Yeah, look at Nvidia there. Okay, huge wick there. Below extended hours. Okay, let's go back to DXY. Higher. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens here. Maybe we have some SMTs and then a shift of structure for later. But so far nothing. It's only the first 4. Hi, am I a Ukrainian by descent? No. I'm Croatian by descent. A lot of earnings reports this week. Yes. I believe it's Apple, Microsoft, Meta. Hold on, let me check. Let me check because my friend literally texted me about that. About the earnings. So many of them. You could also follow Earning Whispers on Twitter. That's what I look at as. So you have AMD, Microsoft, Google, Apple, and Amazon this week. So it is going to be crazy, crazy week. Brace yourselves. Don't blow up. It's NFP week, it's FOMC week, and huge tech earnings week. What's today's earnings? Hi, Tom. You can just look Earnings Whisper. That's what I do. Earnings Whispers. Because, let me tell you, what I've noticed during tech earnings week, especially during the afternoon, there will be some equal highs, some obvious buy side after a shift of structure, and it won't hit it in the afternoon. It'll wait for 4 p.m. earnings to hit it, which is insane, right? It literally feels like that's distortion, right? Time distortion. But that's something I have noticed. Okay, so today, after the close, nothing from tech for after the close today, but tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon might be difficult. but I haven't been trading afternoon recently, but I'm telling you guys. Microsoft and AMD and Google after the close tomorrow earnings. Okay. Looks like ES has caught up to YM and made a higher high than London, and NQ has not yet. No, I did not try to short that. Did anyone else? No, I didn't. So it's higher here, even though DXY is going higher, so it's pretty difficult. So you have lower highs here now, but nothing yet, you know. Maybe it takes out like this little high and doesn't take out that one because this is like an intermediate high that balanced this, but we'll have to see. It's not really interesting enough for me to, like, what liquidity did this take? Didn't even take like these lows here, which is strange, you know. I wouldn't long it. You know, I don't really like to use a trend line. I like to use the horizontal ray more, right? Because I don't want to do the extra like shift, and I like that it just like gives me one number here, right? If I do trend line, I'm just saying this because some people have asked me about like telling me like, oh hey, with the trend line, you know, if I do the trend line, look, it's kind of like annoying to me because it highlights two prices because, you know, it's 2 points because you can go like this and it'll highlight this. So, and I have to press shift an extra step there to make it straight. So for typically use the horizontal ray, especially since it'll like, if I do text top right coordinates, no matter what time frame I'm on, it'll tell me what it is, right? Meanwhile, for like horizontal trend lines, we'll get stuck where I wrote them, right? So like, it's always going to be there. It's just to answer a frequently asked question I've been seeing. Yeah, it's 50% of the range. Okay. So far SMT here, but you know, check out this high, right? Did it take out this high? That'd be good, decent if it like takes this high out and then does like a reversal or something. No, I did not take that high out yet. So chillin', chillin'. Chillin' like a villain. Put on like maybe a song because I'm not listening to anything. I typically don't really listen to anything actually, but I don't know. I'm in the mood. I'm listening to someone's asked what Cardigan by Taylor Swift. It's a very chill song. Okay, so we have ES and YM wicking now. I feel like ES has been a little bit easier lately. Like, I haven't traded ES in a long time, but recently I've seen like it be better, like structure wise. You know, hit the like button by the way, helps me out. I don't have many viewers as usual because ICT is live. I don't know. He said he'd stop going live, but now he's just like doing, I think he said no sound or something. He said that he fades live streamers when they say they don't know what's happening. And I thought that was really funny because like a lot of the times I'm like, I don't know. I literally say I don't know what's happening, so I'm not doing anything right now. He's like, I'll go to the 5-second. And I'm like, damn, okay. Okay, looks like yes. Okay, NQ's picking up again more. Let's like, now that this is like taking out some liquidity, I will look to see if there's any kind of break of a short-term low, but nothing yet really there. ES and YM are moving lower. Quite interesting now that like they were super like strong, and now they're lagging a little bit, and NQ is picked up. Not really easy, because like what I would want to see then is like, you know, NQ to start getting lower. Oh yeah, let me change this to MNQ. I'm going to micros, you guys, so I can more easily manage my risk. Like take partials, especially in this kind of condition where it's like you have to take your partials. And it's just gonna be easier for me to manage my risk. Because partials pay, and it's so hard. It is hard if you have like 1 or 2 NQ contracts. It doesn't make sense then. It's just harder to. And I have no shame in just taking micros, like 10 or 15 micros I can pay. Okay. The only like drawback with micros is that you will be paying more commissions, but it's fine. Like it's fine for me. It's for the trade-off, because then I'll probably be making more money with my partials anyway, rather than and have more peace of mind. Nothing yet. EDXY is, you know, is still pushing up higher as indices are pushing higher. Messenger class. Did I do some fishing? No. Hi, welcome Felix. Watching my channel for the first time? Cool. Cool. We have fun here with the #1 live chat on YouTube. I have to go refill up my water. Any books I recommend? Mental Game of Trading, Jared Tendler. I'll be right back. I just gotta fill this. Okay. So let's see if this displaces down to the downside at all. Or not. I mean, whatever. If it keeps going higher, I don't care, because DXY is going higher, like on the higher parent order flow, and also on the, you know, like I said, this is intermediate, like structure wise. Bearish. Okay, let's see. Let me like make sure my risk reward stuff is good. Template. NQ. What did I want to? I want to risk like 450 per trade. So literally like just put I don't want to calculate the percentages. I'll just do that 100%. 450 USD 100%. Save as. Okay. Looks like this is the short position tool. The long one I'll do the same. You know, I could have put like 4,500 and risking 10%, which is the same thing, right? Because that's technically how much drawdown you have. That's technically how big your challenge is, your funded account, right? My funded account with my funded futures and Top Step, and actually I have a funded account with Apex now, but that's 2,500 drawdown. So I'm just doing that and risk 10%, because then I'm risking 450 per trade. you know, I'm changing this to that, like I said, 10%. Okay. Okay. So what's good, you can literally do that, right? Did you guys see how I did that? And then I'm not, this is just an example. I'm not in any trade right now, but let's say you were trying to do like a whatever turtle soup, right? And you're trying to enter here. This is literally telling you how many you can take of NQ, right? If I'm having like a 10-point stop, let's say, it's telling me I can take 2.3 contracts, right? So then I can take 23 micros to risk $450. That's actually an easy way for you to calculate the position sizing. Hopefully, I've provided some value there. Looks like ES and YM, I mean NQ. I hope to see like a displacement. Okay, so it looks like buy side liquidity has been taken, and also SMT there. So I would like this to be a fair value gap then, to try to short it, but we'll find out. Okay. Okay. Cool. Looks decent. Someone like that. Let's see, we have to wait 30 seconds for this to be a fair value gap, right? So I'm just like preemptively drawing it out, but we're not even too sure if that's happening yet. Looks like it just can continue lower from here. It's not the best action. How many can I take? Like 17 of them? 15? What was that? Okay, it's fine. Okay. See if I get filled up here. 11-point stop, 3R. My only thing is like ES didn't really displace too much, but whatever. It fits my criteria, honestly, so there is a fair value gap there. Okay. I don't know why that did it like that. Alright, I'm filled. Try to combine these into one, but go off, I guess. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I get messed up here or not. DXY is going higher, indices are going back higher. Oh well. I would take that. It doesn't matter if I get stopped out here. I would take that a million times, so. Let me just put this up one more tick. I'm wrong. There we go. That's fine by me if I get stopped, you know, but I'm taking the short. It's 950. Okay, no stop out yet. I put it above this one because that's the 3 fair value gap thing. 76 is my 76.25 technically. I am in heat. Okay, we'll see what happens now. The thing is, I think you can go for here, you know, so let's just go for this for 3R. But, like, we'll see. It's not easy action here. Hands off now, honestly. I don't care what happens there. But I don't like that I just immediately inverted it, but the thing is, I can't expect it to be sloppy. Because, this is like a small fair value gap, right? That's why I put my stop above this candle. It's a pretty small fair value gap. It was like only like 2 or 3 points, taking out this low. Didn't really line up with a low. So it's a larger one, then I'll use this candle, but I use this one. What's the high again? 76? Okay, 76.25 is my stop. And I was in the immediate heat. It didn't stop me out by only like a couple points, but what's the high here? Yeah, 74.5 was the highest it went. Good thing I was like... Good thing I put the right stop, because sometimes it's tricky. Okay. We'll see what happens now, but the reason why I went short again, DXY looks bullish. SMT's here. It did take out some bullet buy side liquidity here. Broke a low with fair value gap. So now we just wait and we drink some water. I risked like 12 points on that. It's 11.75. And we're trying to make 34.5, which is a 3R. Okay, let's see us close below this. If we don't close below this low, it's likely gonna chop a lot more, and I'll just have to wait. I'll just have to be in the trade for longer, which is fine by me. But I prefer it close below this low, and then I can think that we're gonna go here. If we get to this low, how much would that be? Like a 1R or something? Yeah, like a 1R. Let me make sure my counts are correct. Okay, cool. Kind of strange because YM is still going for new highs of day. I'm gonna put my little alert for DXY. So far, choppy action. ES is going for new high of day. It's not at it yet, but yeah. I don't like that it is inverting that fair value gap a second time right now. Not really looking too good for my shorts. So, but whatever. I'm staying in it because that's my plan. It's been only 3 minutes, so if I stop at that, I'll just have to reassess. I actually don't even think I could have taken like 4 more contracts. I took 15 and I could have taken 19 contracts of an MQ. So I don't think I'm even risking 450. I'm probably risking 400. See what happens here. Would be nice to start off Monday with a win, but you know, if I don't, then I don't. 10 a.m. is in it's 9:50 to 10:10 macros happening right now, so let's see what happens. I would like it to deliver by 10:10. If not, then whatever. If not, then we're in high resistance liquidity run conditions. Let's see how it reacts at this low. Okay. How much of a range do we have from here to here? Like 50-point range. Okay. Not like that. Again, look. I'm watching this. Alright, I'll use the shift key now. Ugh. So annoying. I probably am gonna take like a little bit off the table. We'll see how this candle ends. Not like the happiest that it just stalls like this. Such strange action. Let's just wait. Because DXY is going higher. I'll just wait. I'll hold it. I don't wanna micromanage too much. Wait until this candle closes. If it closes below, then that's good. In 12 more minutes. 10 more minutes now until 10:10. I hate when it does this type of stuff where it takes the low, wicks it, deep retracement, you know. It's the worst. That means you're in high resistance liquidity run conditions. No displacement, no fair value gap at those lows where we broke it. It's the worst. I'm up 10 points. Now I expect deep retracement again. Let me go look at DXY for a second on the hourly. Okay. Okay, looks like we're starting to move lower. Again, okay, if we break 1, 2, 3 times and we wick this, then I'll have to get out of the trade, you know. We'll see how that candle ends. But that's a nice reaction there. I didn't have my coffee. Might be. That's why I'm kind of calmer, I guess. But I don't know why. I'm I do sound I don't know, pessimistic right now. I don't know why. I'm just chilling. I'm cool. We're good. The trade is working out in our favor pretty well here. I want it to close below this low, and then we'll see it go for this. I want it to deliver by 10:10. Otherwise, you know, I'll just take my money. So we have 10 minutes for it to deliver. If it's any good, it should. Of course. Of course, it's being such a little bum. It's not even like a fair value gap here. I don't think this should hold. You know, for those people who are like breakers or whatever, that's like on such a small time frame, and I think larger time frame was bearish. And like again, it should have been a really fast move there then, off of here, and gone up, but it came back like 3 times. Okay, close below there. I imagine now it's just gonna be like a slow grind lower. It'd be nice to secure 3R. Now that we close below it though, then I can bring my stop up to like this high. Only a 6-point stop now. It shouldn't come back there at all, you know? What's this high? 69.5. Okay, now our risk is only like 6 points or so. But since I took some off the table, I should like take some a partial, like five off or something. Ah shit, because it's I'll have to take this off then to do that. It's fine. I'm gonna just press buy bid here. Okay. Yeah, I know my maximum position's been met. When you have like 15, then that's just gonna happen. Then I'll have to take, I took off the ATM order, because if you have like 15 on each side. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Now we're putting OCOs here. Now you can put stop break even, I believe. Shouldn't really come back above this one, you know? Yeah. Okay, moving stop up to in profit here. And then I'll take more partials in case like, you know, just like one more partial or so. 3 more off the table. Okay. No, I don't want that. Okay, buy limit 7. Okay, so I took half my total position off the table at this point. We're gonna secure 30 points here. There we go. Beautiful. Target hit. Where's the W's in the chat? Let me get a W. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? That was beautiful. Honestly, pretty good risk management as well. Oh, so nice to start off a week with a win like that. Was that killer or what? I feel like can't ask for better. Can't ask for better. Can I ask for better? No. Okay, I made $800 on that. On PA, Apex PA, and MFFU funded. Oh, nice. Nice. Look, one on this MFFU and a new Apex account. Nice. You saw my face. I was super stressed. Yeah, I don't know. I was like, I could. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I was. I don't think I was stressed. ICT took this to seem straight trade. Is that true? How am I calm on this choppy delivery? I think the key there was that I had my risk managed. So I honestly didn't even risk 450 on this. I risked like I don't know, what's 15 times 11.75 times 2. 30 times 11.75. 352. I risked 350. You guys, can we like Did he actually take the same trade? Can we tag him? Can I make a post on Twitter and then we all tag him? Can we do that? Let me take a. I didn't listen to him at all, and I think I don't know. I think that's killer. Apparently, took the same trade as ICT this morning. 3 are bagged and tagged. Let's get attention from ICT. Everybody comment on I'm gonna put the link here and we can all tag ICT under here. Who made money there? That was classic 2022 model, and that's it. Thank you. I just passed my combine with that trade. Congrats. Oh my god, yay. Yeah, maybe I was probably was a little stressed when it retraced so deeply here. Thank god I put the right stop. You know, because sometimes I will put it here, but it's all about how big this fair value is. And, you know, even with the stop, it was like a 11.75 point stop. Is a Birkin behind me? No, it's I do like the bag though. It's oops, I'm so sorry. I think a Birkin's like $30,000. I don't have that kind of money, but this is a bag. Pretty expensive. I think it's like $4,000, but I didn't buy it. My uncle bought me this years ago. It's called Velectra, and I do like it because I'm not a very flashy person, right? So I don't really like to wear like something with like logos, but this is nice. I like it because it's like genuine Italian leather. It's very sturdy. It's pretty big. So I'll take this. That's my designer bag, I guess. I know I should be like happier, but like I think it's just the cost of doing business. I don't know. And I also didn't have my coffee today. I was editing my vlog video. You guys make sure to check out my behind the scenes vlog video, day in the life. That's coming out after this today. It's all edited. And if you're watching this and you're watching that later, write in the comment, Bagel Club is here. Tanya, he hit his executions, Quinton. Oh. You took the same trade as ICT and y'all smashed it. Hell yes. Yeah, I showed my executions and exactly what I was doing, so. I just want attention from ICT. I want, I think isn't that amazing? Isn't that random where we took off the trade? Now it's like turtle souping, huge retracement back. Yeah, because it's choppy market conditions, right? Isn't that amazing? Perfect exit. Pretty good entry, perfect exit. So what broker I use? I use Apex, and I use my funded futures for the firms, and I use TopStep. All the links are in the description below for them, but I use my broker NinjaTrader 8. And I like it the best because, like, as you've seen, as I just take a trade, I can have my I'll have this here, look. I'll show it more here. This is what I have on the screen. me stop chewing gum. It's annoying me too. My funded futures. Anyway. That's not what I want. I wanted it to be like this. So I'll have this here. Like, obviously, I don't show this because there's no point. The executions show up and it's just taking. It's better to have this chart up. Oh my gum. Spit out my gum. Let me have a drink of water. Okay. So I like NinjaTrader because you can have something called Advanced Trade Management Strategy, ATM. So for example here, NQ20 point, I have like a one that is literally like, oh, my stop is automatically, as soon as I hit market order, my stop is 20 points and my take profit is like 50 points, and then I'll just like adjust it quickly. But I like it because like it automatically puts that in. Let me like switch to a sim account so you guys see. Right, so I'll just literally press like, let's say buy market. So right now I bought at 59, like automatic 58.5. Automatically there's a stop here. And then I'll just like drag it to whatever I want, right? Well, now we're probably going up back up higher to here, honestly. So that's just me showing whatever, right? So, and then another one I'll have is like, this is if I play ES 5-point stop and 10-point take profit, right? So, right, so that's 5-point stop, 10-point take profit right there. And you can have like whatever. That's why I like Ninja. So I can just click custom. This is what, click custom. Order quantity sets the amount of contracts you automatically want to have there. I'll typically honestly just have one because then I can just change it here. You can change it here later, but it automatically goes back to default though after you do that. And then you have your target one. I'll just use one target. Stop loss, this is in ticks. Okay, ticks. So like 5 ticks is 4 ticks is 1 point. So if you want to do like a 5-point stop loss, that's just 20 ticks, and then profit, let's say 5 for 10, that's 20/40, right? If you want 20-point stop loss, it's an 80 tick stop loss, and let's say 40-point take profit, 160, right? And then another cool thing is you can add another target too. So let's say this is what I'm saying, advanced trade management. Target, let's say so if we have 2 targets, you obviously need more than 1 contract. So let's say up to 2 contracts here. And then here it would automatically have another one. So let's say like the first target is 40 points. Let's say the second target, I want it to be 60 points, right? So 60 times 4, it's 240, right? Yeah. So then, let's say I push OK, and I'll just, I guess I think I have to give it a name. 10:15, it's 10:15. And I don't use any of this stuff, but like you can literally make it as complicated as you want. That's why I like Ninja. Like you can literally put like reverse at the target, reverse at the stop, I don't know. And you can also have like a trailing thing, stop strategy, custom, have it literally trail, auto trail. I don't use that either because I'm like at the computer always when I'm in a trade, and that's a little more complicated. So save as template. Let's say add another one. Let's say 2 targets. I'll typically put like, okay, 40 point, 60 point. Let's say that for those are the 2 target ones. Okay, and then like let's like literally just see 40 points and 60 points now. So let's read the chat now. So I do my annotations here, you know. Now let me close this so people don't think I'm in a trade. This is just me doing a tutorial. This is my trade for the day. The killer trade. Killer trade. Killer trade. Yeah, so I appreciate if you guys go and tag ICT in that Twitter, because, you know, the other day he said he fades live streamers. I hope it wasn't me. No, I really think my motivation, it's not so much money. It's like managing the trade correctly, and then also words of affirmation. We killed it today. Yeah, he only fades some. He fades retail probably, but he also does fade our chat for sure. Anyway, I do believe this isn't really difficult. Like, you know, I said this is SSL actually. I'm happy I took my money here. That was enough for me. Maybe have more SSL here. It's just really seek and destroy, I guess, kind of conditions. Because there's no like there's no clean like, oh, like, oh, if it broke this with another fair value gap, then it would have given you like even more. But no, this is basically like, oh, it's gonna probably go for these highs again, or maybe even this high again. Like, especially ES is making new highs of day now. Now I expect it to be high resistance. Go for this probably. I don't know. Why did I go short? Okay, so yeah, we can go over that. Let me open up my screen. So, operate display. So, the reason why I went short started off with the daily on DXY. We are bullish here, and we like, look how beautifully it like respects this like fair value gap here, you know? Wicking this and going for this high. So I was bearish on the day. I think we're going here more. I'm more bearish also for like the week in general. And then we had SMT here where ES and YM took London high, right? Look at the 5-minute. Here in the morning. We took London highs on ES and YM. But then if we look at NQ, if we look at NQ, London highs here, we did not take it, right? That was an SMT. And so I waited for a break of a low with fair value gap, which happened here. Went short in here. In the first like minute, I was in a good amount of heat. I thought I was just going to get stopped out immediately, which I was fine with. You know, I'm just happy to put the correct stop. I put it on this high. And I went for this, for 3R. That was our trade. Do I use a copy trader? Yes. I would use Replicanto. Okay, for sure, the tutorial is coming out today on that, or tomorrow the latest. The I did get a discount code for you guys. Tanya20 is 20% off. It's a one-time payment, so it's typically $200 with the coupon. It's like $160 one-time payment. Obviously, it's worth it because, you know, I just made $800 across 2 accounts, and 2 funded accounts instead of you know, 1 account. And that's what I use for Ninja. It's only for Ninja Trader though. So, but like you can have my funded futures and Apex on Ninja Trader. That's what I copy trade between. So I have Apex on Rhythmic, and I have and I have, what's the other one? My funded futures on Tradeovate. You can have multiple connections. Only thing I can't do is like have 2 Rhythmic connections at once. So my top step is on. My top step one is on this was my trade. Right here. Yeah. I just want to make sure the time is correct. The top step is also Rhythmic, so I can't trade both of them. And since, oh yeah, Apex last day off for 80% off and pass in 1 day. So if you use my code Tanya Trades, you'll get 80% off. So I think it's like $30-something for a 50K. I think I'll buy more of them to today. Like, I typically don't care about the pass in 1 day thing. I'm sure like they'll do another one, but like it's cheap to buy the combines. Same Wafu, if you're having trouble, check out their Discord. They have really good customer support. Like for me at first also there was like some issue. I think I forgot to I didn't sign the thing. You have to sign into Tradeovate and sign something. So weird. The ES and why I'm making new highs a day. So I don't think that this is another short. I think I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. I'm not really too keen. I think I'm pretty happy with making $1,600 today. On a difficult day. Only 13 people tagging him here? What happened, you guys? You guys have to have Twitter. I want to tag him in my tweet. I want to bombard his notifications. Isn't that crazy that it came all the way back up here? And that's insane. It's insane that I was also just like going long in that sim count. I don't know. Let's check out the 15 here. SMT, the 5. Right? There's really no fair value gaps on the downside for the 5 minute. You know, this is probably going to end up being one. The captain backtest thing is in play now. Maybe I'll like try to pass an Apex or something. ICT is here. Oh, we killed it today. What's up? Killed it. Hashtag bagged and tagged. Right there, my executions. We went short in here for NQ, SMTs. And this was the trade. Killed it, no hindsight. 3R there. Took partials along the way here and here. Really couldn't ask for better. Killed it. Bagged and tagged. Right? And copy traded it too. 800 on a PA for Apex and 800 for a funded at my funded futures, and another one is just for an eval at my funded futures. So yeah, I'm quite happy. Is that we just went over the trade, but London high. I said it, you guys. You can watch it from the beginning today. I said like this should, if we're bearish, this high should stay in place because it came in and rebalanced this overnight, and that's a jagged high during London. And then at the time, you know, we took this buy side liquidity here, and we had SMTs with ES and NQ where they took London high, and NQ did not. And then you had your, that's a classic 2022 model, essentially. Then there was a break of the low with the fair value gap here. I entered just right here. I did withstand heat for 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes. This was not fun, but you know, doesn't matter. Went to target. You go, lioness. That's so funny. Oh, that's killer. I was just telling everyone to tag you in my tweet, but it looks like ICT came over himself here. Yeah, so kind of insane how just took the sell side, ripped it back up like another deep retracement. It's not easy conditions. Okay, it looks like DXY is hitting it's buy side right now. This daily. Oh wow, I didn't even mark that correctly. Here. This daily buy side. I do think, you guys, that we're still bearish for the rest of the week. This is difficult because you have big tech earnings, you have FOMC, and you have NFP this week. But like I said, on NFP weeks you can trade Monday no news, so worked out well. 3R. I'm surprised I went to that. Actually, I'm not that surprised I did go to final profit because there was nothing really a speed bump in the way. This time, like another day, there was like this huge 5-minute fair value gap. And yeah, there was no really speed bump along the way, but it was a slow grind. And it hit by, okay, it hit by 10:04. How long was I in the trade for? I entered the trade at 9:49. Oh, 15-minute trade. Literally like my average trade. Did I follow the private mentorship? No. Free mentorship on YouTube. Free 99. 2022 mentorship is the best one. You can check out, I have notes on in the community tab. On my community tab, you'll probably have to scroll down. Or you can go to my Twitter. Link in the description. It's in the highlights tab there. But obviously, you gotta watch it all yourself. But I do suggest Market Maker Primer series first. Scout Sniper series. It helps you with narrative. I think the hardest part of this, developing narrative, but that just comes when you're watching price. You have to just keep showing up every day, watching price, understanding how it moves. And the market is always like changing. So that's why you have to watch it every day. Like you have to adapt, you know, like I said, like we were difficult consolidation conditions. Like I took 35 points here. It's still not a large range on the day yet. I don't think that today's going to be a large range. We're still green on the day. For up 0.1%. But that was classic 2022 model what I did, so you don't need much else than that. Really. NFP week. Yo, Tanya trades. Yo, trades the day. Someone gonna make me my own my own theme song. I need a theme song that we can play during the stream loading. I got this. I just oh, you guys, I'm gonna get better lights. I just bought a better lighting with on like Amazon or whatever. So thank you everybody that's supporting the channel. I really appreciate you. You know, we're upgrading the production. Oh, he's proud of me. Yay, I'm happy. ICT said he's proud of me. I was just saying that it's not so much the money for me. Like that's cool, but like when I look at the money, like I said, I literally minimize it. That's why I'm sorry, you guys, like who like to see my P&L on the screen as the trade is happening. That's just not gonna happen. I can show it at the end of the day or whatever, like I just did, but like I literally cannot watch that P&L. Like I'm gonna mismanage the trade. It's more about me. I want to just manage the trade correctly, and also I'm a bit of a teacher's pet, so just in life. So that's probably also I'm just like, oh, I want words of affirmation. That's why I was like, yo, everyone tag ICT so he can see it. And then say he's proud of me, and it worked. Like the money is secondary. Money will come. You just have to be really, really patient for that. For the money will come. You know? So, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I really... Patrick was asking me, like, what are you gonna do? What big thing are you gonna buy when you have, like, a lot of money? And I'm like... I literally have not even thought about that. Like, for me, I'd rather just, first off, okay, invest in cash flowing assets, and then use that money as something nice. But, like, I literally don't know. I don't really care for, like, a nice car or whatever. I drive, my dad's old my dad's old car, like a BMW X5 2000, like a 2005, right? And he's a mechanic, so it runs really well. So gotta have him fix it if something goes wrong. But that's the thing about BMWs is like the parts are expensive. Like a small part will be like $400, $500, $600. But I don't really care for a luxury car or whatever. I'd rather buy my dad a car or whatever. I don't know. Some kind of investment. I'd rather just buy like a real estate. I honestly feel like the real estate dream is done for America. The American dream has always been like buy a house. You know, and that used to actually make me really upset when I would think about that. Like oh, I'll never be able to afford a house, especially in New York. Like a decent like 3-bedroom house in like Queens is like 800 grand. You know, like if you want like a nice house, a nice-ish house, it'd be like $1 million. But like I wouldn't even buy that. I would probably figure out like a rental, like buy something to rent out. I don't know. It's so weird how it like keeps stalling at the same fair value gap here. ES is looking a lot cleaner. What was that? Did anyone else just see that? Like on ES, it like moved so quickly down 1032. Let me see. Am I on the right screen here? Stream. Oh yeah, did I not show my executions? I don't know. Did Michael see it? I don't know. Probably. Anyway. This is just insane. How like I think ES is a lot cleaner here. Yeah, ES gave you the 2022 model as well later. Let me check out ES. What is it doing here? Okay, ES just went into Monday's low. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with enough here. Content with enough. What do you guys think? Did you enjoy Florida? Yeah, I did. It was really fun. Well, I was there for like 2 days, 2 nights. Went on the boat, which is funny. I didn't have even time to go to the beach or anything because it was just basically like working there. Did some content. You guys like I've been like asked via email like from like a couple of different podcasts to be interviewed, and you know Top Sub TV also asked to interview me, but like I declined them because I was just like it stresses me out and I don't think I'm ready to be interviewed, you know? Like I didn't feel like I'm there yet, you know? But some people on Twitter, when I said that, like you guys were like really encouraging. I don't know. But like after the stream, Patrick did like we did like a more relaxed type of interview, just like rapid fire questions type of thing. And that's like a little bit different because it's like in person. Like I'm kind of stressed out about those technical difficulties. Not gonna lie. And also it's like he's my YouTube mentor. I was like way more chill. So that's gonna come out on his channel. Just like a short interview, right? I'm kind of just stressed out about like the whole notion of doing like a 45-minute to like an hour, or some of these podcasts go up for like an hour and a half. You know, people say like, oh, you should go and like represent women. True, but like, is that like, does that responsibility like really fall on my shoulders? I don't know. Anyway, tabling that for now, but like I did do like a short little interview because like we did more content after the stream and it was kind of funny. Oh, ICT, you should check out like the 16-minute video, regular video on his channel. It is actually hilarious. We treated the afternoon session. And Patrick was just like freaking out as it went towards the target. And I was just like trying to calm him down. I was just like, it's gonna reach there. I was like instructing him to do some breathing exercises, which you guys, I learned from the Huberman podcast. The the Huberman podcast was just like the #1 science. It should definitely go for here, by the way. And I think we should go for here, but it's like another, I don't think today with how the action is today. Let me see DXY. The Huberman podcast is like the #1 science podcast in the world, but this like technique really helped me when I tore my ACL and I had to get like an MRI. Because it's so stressful to be in an MRI. Like, it's so loud, whatever. So the physiological sigh is like the physiological sigh is that you take one huge deep breath through your nose, and then you take a second quick inhale through your nose until you literally can't like take any more inhale, and then slowly exhale through pursed lips. So like you can literally feel yourself relax. It's an evolutionary process. Like if you think about it, when people cry or when animals are in high stress situations, they go like, right? You sniffle like that. That's like your body's natural way of calming you down. So it's just like a thing that you can literally do to calm down in the moment, like immediately, just a little bit, but like you could feel it. Let me know in the comments or in the chat if you try it out and if it's helpful. Lowers the blood pressure, exactly. But looks like DXY did hit that buy side, by the way. We hit the buy side liquidity, which is the daily high. We're going higher, honestly. I'm very much paying attention today if it will close above this. Likely not. Okay, likely not, because it's no news Monday. So that's why I don't think we're going for more all this sell side down here yet. I don't think so. If it does not close above it, that means more tough price action ahead. Yeah, I know it crossed that already. Thanks. That's such a weird sound, by the way. I was playing around with my different is that called alert? Yeah, alert, not alarm. So yeah, looks like, SMT's here. What is this? It's like Monday low. We took Asia low on well, this is today. This is London. Wow. What? Really? That's just so strange to me because like that's why I'm reacting this way, because like ES made a low during London and NQ made a high? What? I'm confused now, honestly. Wow. Oh no, wait. No, never mind. That's later. That's at 5 p.m. for okay, no, this is 5 p.m. This is the high London high here. But I'm just looking to see what is like the SMT situation going on here right now. I just like took pre-market low. We did do that though on NQ. There's not really an SMT. Okay, that's not a buy for me anyway. Pretty happy. But yeah, I mean it was fun. The biggest thing, figured out his like setup and his like workflow and stuff, because like he really just is so efficient with his videos, and I haven't posted like the regular long form video in like 3 weeks, right? Because I have to set it up. So what I'm working on now, got a better light for this, and I'll probably get like a camera so I can release more videos and like do like more like trade recaps, or like maybe a bunch of other things are coming. Definitely I'll talk about people. Any requests, by the way, you guys? Show what? You guys stopped. But what is it? Escaping for the day, be good. Have fun, ICT. Thank you. Yeah, I think you guys, the day is we got the best trade of the day. Honestly, can't ask for better. And let me see. Oh yeah, let me know if you guys have any requests for videos. So these are the videos I'm currently working on. How I copy trade. That'll be a quick one. Number 2, the behind the scenes like a travel vlog of Florida. So if you're watching this and you're watching that later, write in the comments like Bagel Club is here. Then I'll know like, oh, they're from my live stream. And what else is coming out? I'm gonna do like how I risk management for prop firm evals, and as well as the actual funded accounts. Any other? Yeah, it's a small range day. My setup, I have 4. The Florida vlog is coming out today. It is edited. I just have to make the thumbnail, and it's literally gonna come out after this live stream. It's gonna be funny. It's a cool. I had fun. It's some cool behind the scenes footage. How regular do I trade live? I am here, you guys. I am here every single day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. And yeah, that's it for today. Like, leave a comment on under this stream then. Any other videos or video requests, and I'll read them. Oh, also, like, check me out on Instagram. That's where I put my highlights, and that's where I'll have a highlight of today's action. We're almost at 10K on Instagram. After I hit 10K, I think I'll do like an Ask Me Anything. Yes, I will do a review of prop firms. That is on the docket as well. I'm making a PowerPoint, legit one. Like, that's right now. I'm a free agent, so I can do a review of them, you know. But I do so like I can talk about which one's the best for what type of thing. Yeah, let me know any other how to video my A+ setup. I do have a video on how my super simple ICT strategy. It is in the description, so check that out. That's basically how I trade. And follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow at 9:15 a.m.